So if you've watched any of my other videos, chances are you've already been introduced to Blair, my best friend slash house model slash only subscriber. And a while back, she donated this fabric to me and mentioned that she had always wanted to make a hooded cape out of it. A little bit more practical would be a hooded jacket, and she has a very cold house, so I made this gorgeous velvet house coat with the fabric as a lining. The first step was to make the front panels with the pockets, which you know I loved, and I'm going to be honest, I did not record a whole lot of this sewing process. First of all, because it was very long. It was a princess themed coat with lining that I just added. It wasn't part of the pattern, so it was just straight sewing a lot of seams. And also, I was sick with most likely COVID during this entire thing. So yeah, it wasn't the most fun process to do or to record. Anyway, here I am attaching the lining to the outer fabric at the front and then folding it over, and I edge stitched it and top stitched it about an inch away from that. And this was an extra step I decided to do and then immediately regretted it. I'm tacking down the outer layer to the lining along those princess seams at a few spots just to make sure the coat holds its shape as it ages. When somehow my machine ate a pin. It fell down into the nether regions. I had to take everything apart, and I will have you know that I worked very hard to pull that pin out with tweezers and other professional tools, but it only came out when I turned the whole machine upside down and shook it like a toddler having a tantrum. Well, whatever works. Here I am doing the final touches, and Blair, you will notice I'm wearing the outfit I was wearing when you came to pick it up, but that was the hem, and this is the button, and here is the final look. We didn't get to celebrate on Christmas because I was sick, but here's our belated one.
What? Is it?
It's lined with that fabric that you were going to make a hood out of, and
Yes.
I figured instead of like a hooded cape, this would be a little bit more practical. And then all the celestial stuff. I was like, you know.
Hell yeah. This is like, yes, I feel like a little wizard. Yes. Oh, yes.
And on that note, oh yes, Merry Blairmas to all, and to all a good night.